Hello, my name is Van Willard. I'm with MarineMax in Louisville. Today we'll be talking about the Harris 230 Solstice. Okay, this boat is great for a large number of people. It's rated for 12, so you can put 12 people aboard legally. As you can see, it's got a lot of seating up front. Of course, we are set up here with storage. Everybody does like this in-floor ski storage where you can put gear, all types of gear, tubes and everything. And then as we go farther back, you got a fiberglass console. You got a pop-up table. This is very popular. You can put your sandwiches and all and drinks here. As we go across to the console, again, it's a Simrad GPS system. Of course, we do have our speedometer and our RPM gauge here. And then this is powered up a sound system with a JL audio speaker system, which is an upgrade. And then, of course, we have an elevated pedestal here. And this elevates the driver above the people in the front of the boat. Back here, we have more lounge area. Again, this is our very popular seating here, where you can take this here and make it into a rear lounger. Okay, back here we have fender holders, which you very seldom see on pontoon boats. Very nice to have, easy to throw overboard. And then here we have our ski tow bar, and also this is powered with a 250 horsepower motor. Now, one thing I want to show you that's very popular is this swim step. Drops down, makes it easy to swim up to get on board the boat, or if you want to sit there and just relax in the water, you can. Thank you for your time today. Again, we're talking about the Harris Solstice 230 that we have in stock in various colors. Give me a call. My name's Van Willard in MarineMax, Louisville.